Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline tips. In today's video I have a two odds for you. the one i posted the one I posted last night, I made a mistake and I included a midnight game that will start in the next hour, so a lot of people did not meet up with that game. So let that just be bygone, and then I decided to drop this one for everyone to play. And the first game is in Iceland Division 2, where Naspi Novelak is taking on KFG Gadabier, and our prediction is both teams to score at full time. Then the second game on our list, still in Iceland Division 2, where Kefafik is taking on Naspi Novelak Akuleya, and our prediction is both teams to score. We are using our official bookmaker, which is Betwinner.com, to book this game. I will drop the booking code, which is this. The booking code for Betwinner is JXFQ. I will drop the link in the comment section. If you use a Betwinner as your bookmaker and sign up with my bonus, and they will give you a bonus of over 196,000 naira, or equivalent of $200 if you are outside Nigeria. So I will drop the link in the comment section. My promo code for you to use and get this bonus is Moneyline. When you just put Moneyline in that space, they say put promo code. When you put Moneyline there, you will get a bonus up to 196,000 naira, or $200 equivalent. Okay guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. I wish you good luck. Both teams to score, both in Iceland league. First one in Iceland Division 2, where Naspi Novelak is taking on KFG Gadabier, and our prediction is both teams to score. Then the second game, still in Iceland Universal League or Besta League 2, where you have a game between Keflavik versus Naspi Novelak Akureya, and our prediction is both teams to score at full time. The total of 2.2 odds. Thank you for staying tuned, and always remember to bet responsibly.